In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage expenses in Xero for a seamless accounting experience. Whether you are a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple clients, Xero makes handling purchases and expenses straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can take full advantage of this useful feature. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Xero dashboard. The dashboard is your command center and gives you a broad overview of your financial activity. Once you're in, look for the main menu on the left side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to the different financial aspects of your business. From here, you will need to locate the option labeled Purchases. Click on this to expand it, and you'll see an option for Expenses. Clicking on Expenses will take you to the Expenses section where you can manage and review all expense-related activities. Now that you're in the right place, look for the Setup Expenses button on your screen. This button is your starting point for configuring how Xero handles your expense claims and processes. Clicking this will initiate the setup process. Xero understands that keeping track of receipts can be cumbersome. To help with this, it offers a feature called receipt scanning, which is next on our list. Enabling receipt scanning will save you from the hassle of manual entry, allowing you to simply scan and upload receipts. This feature leverages optical character recognition technology to automatically capture critical details from your receipts, ensuring that no expense is left untracked or improperly recorded. With receipt scanning enabled, you now need to select the accounts that users will utilize when making expense or mileage claims. This part of the setup is crucial because assigning the correct accounts ensures that transactions are categorized accurately, leading to more precise financial reporting. Take a moment to review your chart of accounts in Xero and decide which ones make sense for your expenses and mileage claims. The platform will provide a list for you to choose from, so you can assign appropriate accounts quickly and efficiently. As you move forward, consider the people in your organization who need access to Xero's expense management features. Adjusting user roles and permissions is your final step and is vital for maintaining control over who can view or edit expense data. By customizing permissions, you can ensure that each team member has access to the tools and information they need to handle expenses without compromising sensitive financial data. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll equip your team with powerful tools to manage expenses seamlessly in Xero. With these configurations completed, you're ready to streamline your expense management and maintain clearer financial records with confidence. Make sure to revisit these settings regularly as your organization's needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.